Good. We had unlimited free drinks, and I thought snacks would be provided too, but that was not the case. There are beautiful views across the Victoria Harbour. The range is very large. From east to west, there is a telling of special construction, and wine is served. I was worried whether the boat would arrive, but it did come and there were drinks available, so it was fun. The ship has different languages introducing the characteristics of both sides of the Victoria Harbour. There is an unlimited supply of different wines, whether day or night. Enjoy the boat, worth attending. I took a cruise on Victoria Harbour. The night view was so beautiful, I was moved. The onboard Symphony of Lights onboard was also impressive, and with all-you-can-drink included, I was able to relax and enjoy it. I highly recommend experiencing this if you visit Hong Kong. I was able to enjoy the night view of Hong Kong from the boat. The drinks were amazing. It was even more impressive than seeing it from land. The time is just right. Take a boat tour, feel the sea breeze, have a drink, enjoy the sunset and dusk, and learn about some of Hong Kong and number 39's culture. It and number 39's worth the price. If you take the 70 and number 39 clock trip, you can catch the 80 and number 39 clock light show from the ship. 75, 7, 8. $75, 2. It and number 39's great. You can enjoy the large space of the whole ship. The service staff are also very patient. Although Mandarin is not fluent, they try their best to speak to us. Especially the tour guide, she is so nice. It makes us have a better impression of our friends in Hong Kong. You can also see the Zhongbaozhai ship sailing next to you. The facilities were quite good, and there was a wide selection of drinks. Most of the other passengers were foreigners. It was my first time to watch the Symphony of Lights from the sea. It was nice to see something new. There is an all-you-can-drink option, but be careful not to drink too much. Beautiful scenery with beautiful women brings out new flavors. You must come and experience it if you have the chance.